Extensor muscles of the forearm. Extensor carpi radialis longus, brachioradialis. Extensor carpi radialis brevis. Extensor digitorum, tricep. Extensor digit minimi. Anconus. Electric muscle stimulator. Paralyzed extensor muscles of the forearm. Forearm is the region of the upper limb between the elbow and the wrist. Lower arm is called forearm. Extensor mean to straighten or extend a joint. Electric muscle stimulator is a device that uses electrical impulses. EMS functions stimulate muscle contraction to improve muscle strength and tone. EMS helps to relax muscles and reduce muscle spasm. It can help alleviate pain by stimulating the release of natural pain relievers. EMS aids in physical therapy by strengthening muscles and improving range of motion. EMS application to help patient recovery from injuries or surgery. EMS application to improve muscle strength and endurance. EMS used to manage chronic pain and reduce muscle tension. Tricep muscle, a three-headed muscle located in the posterior arm responsible for elbow extension. Anconus muscle, a small muscle that assists in elbow extension. These muscles work together, straighten the elbow joint, allowing for forearm extension. Forearm extensor muscle functions. Deep layer of the posterior compartment. Brachioradialis muscle, located on the radial side of the forearm. It flexes the forearm at the elbow and can also contribute to supinate, turning the palm up, and pronation, turning the palm down. Extensor carpi radialis longus muscle, located on the radial side of the forearm. It extends and abducts the wrist. Extensor carpi radialis brevis muscle, located on the radial side of the forearm. It extends and abducts the wrist. Extensor digitorum muscle, located on the posterior side of the forearm. It extends the fingers. Extensor digit minimi, located on the ulnar side of the forearm. It extends the little finger. Extensor carpi ulnaris, located on the ulnar side of the forearm. It extends and abducts the wrist. Anconus muscle, a smaller muscle that assists in elbow extension.